You can learn all the strategies that I teach in literally like a couple months, but understanding market context and price action took me personally almost 3 years to really understand. And that's what ultimately got me in a winning trade today on SPY. Okay, if you watch any of my videos, you see that I always mark the previous day low zone, previous day high zone, the pre-market high and the pre-market low. And I want to see the reaction at these levels based on what the higher time frames are doing. Okay, so price action is going to be key for me here, because if I understand price action, it's going to tell me, okay, buyers are in control or sellers are in control. And you can see here, I had a pivotal zone right here that I marked, and you can see how the buyers smashed off that zone, completely just rocketed off that zone. Second 15-minute candle comes, and you can see the giant wick on this 15-minute candle off this zone. So that immediately tells me I don't want to be looking for shorts anymore. I see the buyers are super present, and I don't want to be looking for shorts anymore. So what I do is I flip to a 2-minute, and I start looking for a potential long entry. Okay, so another signal for me here was that we get a little tiny candle closure above our previous day low, and that's this little signal right here. That told me I want to be focusing on longs as well. Also, if you watch any of my videos, you see that the EMA start fanning out. So this is telling me momentum to the bullish upside is in. So that's exactly what I did today. I started looking for my long position here off the previous day low reclaim, and we caught a monster trade. Okay, we caught a monster trade because we were able to read price action and market context, and you can see here how we just consolidated at this zone and we started surging. Okay, market context told me that buyers were in control the whole time because 15-minute candle closes never happened below pre-market low or previous day low the way they should have. Okay, and you can see what sort of monster move came right after we were able to read that. And I took this trade live on my YouTube like I do every single day, and you can see here we're gonna surge past these highs, and yeah, we caught a really nice win today. So every day, 6:45 a.m. Eastern, I'm live on YouTube and also on my Discord. It's a free Discord. I do it with a bunch of members, and it's fun. And if you want to enter my lives, just come on here 6:45 a.m. Eastern, and I'm taking these trades in front of everybody. All right, guys. So give me a like and a sub if you haven't, and hopefully I'll see you on my lives. Peace and love.